ChatGPT, the powerful conversational AI model developed by OpenAI, has transformed the way we interact with artificial intelligence. But are you making the most out of ChatGPT's capabilities? In this video, we unveil 10 secret tips and tricks that will help you leverage ChatGPT to its fullest potential. From enhancing context understanding to controlling response length, handling ambiguity, and even customizing the AI's behavior, these invaluable insights will empower you to have more meaningful and productive conversations with ChatGPT. Get ready to unlock the secrets and revolutionize your AI-driven interactions with ChatGPT. 1. Fine-tuning for specialized tasks. Fine-tuning GPT-4 involves two crucial steps: data preparation and transfer learning. Firstly, domain-specific training data needs to be collected or curated, ensuring that it aligns with the targeted field. This data should be sufficiently large and diverse, capturing the nuances and intricacies of the domain. Cleaning and pre-processing the data is essential to eliminate noise and enhance the model's ability to generalize. Next, transfer learning comes into play. The pre-trained GPT-4 model serves as a starting point, leveraging its knowledge and understanding of language. The fine-tuning process involves training GPT-4 on the domain-specific dataset, while carefully balancing the preservation of the model's existing knowledge with the adaptation to the new domain. Transfer learning allows GPT-4 to rapidly adapt and specialize, resulting in improved performance and domain-specific expertise. 2. Controlling output length. Two key parameters that play a crucial role in controlling output length are temperature and max tokens. The temperature parameter controls the randomness of the generated text. Higher temperatures, for example 0.8, introduce more randomness, resulting in diverse and sometimes longer responses. Conversely, lower temperatures, for example 0.2, produce more deterministic and focused outputs, often shorter in length. The max tokens parameter allows you to set an explicit limit on the length of the response. By defining the maximum number of tokens allowed, you can ensure that the generated output remains within your desired length constraints. For instance, if you set max tokens to 50, GPT-4 will truncate or stop generating text after reaching the specified token count, resulting in more concise responses. 3. Context management. One approach to context management is through the use of prefix prompts. By starting the input with relevant information or a specific prompt, you can provide GPT-4 with a clear context for generating its response. This technique helps establish the desired frame of reference, ensuring that GPT-4 incorporates the provided context into its understanding and subsequent output. Another strategy involves providing user instructions within the input. By explicitly specifying the desired format or structure of the response, you guide GPT-4 in generating outputs that align with your expectations. For example, you can instruct GPT-4 to summarize a given text, answer a specific question, or provide pros and cons on a certain topic. These instructions act as additional contextual cues that steer GPT-4's response generation. 4. Handling ambiguity. One effective technique is the use of disambiguation prompts. When encountering ambiguous queries or statements, you can provide GPT-4 with additional prompts that clarify the intended meaning. These prompts explicitly specify the context or disambiguate certain terms, guiding GPT-4 to generate responses that align with the desired interpretation. Context expansion is another valuable strategy. By providing GPT-4 with more contextual information, you equip the model with a broader understanding of the subject matter. This additional context can help disambiguate ambiguous inputs and enable GPT-4 to generate more accurate and contextually relevant responses. For example, providing background information, relevant facts, or specific details can assist GPT-4 in resolving ambiguities. 5. Utilizing metalearning. Metalearning involves training GPT-4 on a variety of related tasks, exposing it to diverse examples and allowing it to generalize patterns and concepts across these tasks. This process equips GPT-4 with the ability to quickly grasp the underlying structure of a new task and generate meaningful responses based on a limited number of examples. To train GPT-4 using Metalearning, a few-shot or zero-shot learning approach can be employed. In a few-shot learning scenario, you provide GPT-4 with a small number of examples related to the target task. These examples serve as the basis for GPT-4 to understand the desired output and generate responses accordingly. For example, when training GPT-4 for sentiment analysis, you might provide a handful of labeled examples representing positive and negative sentiments. 6. Multimodal input handling. One way to leverage GPT-4's multimodal capabilities is by combining text with images. By inputting an image along with a textual prompt, GPT-4 can generate descriptive captions or provide detailed analyses based on the visual content. This allows for a deeper understanding of images and facilitates tasks such as image captioning, image analysis, or even generating creative narratives inspired by visual stimuli. GPT-4 can process audio data in conjunction with textual input. This enables tasks such as summarizing audio recordings or transcribing spoken content. By combining the audio input with relevant textual prompts, GPT-4 can generate concise summaries, extract key information, or even respond to questions based on the audio content, expanding its utilities in areas such as voice assistance, podcast analysis, or speech recognition applications. 7. Bias mitigation techniques. One effective technique is counterfactual data augmentation, which involves augmenting the training data with counterfactual examples that challenge and broaden the model's understanding. By introducing diverse perspectives and scenarios that counteract biases, GPT-4 can learn to generate more balanced and unbiased responses. Debiasing fine-tuning is another strategy that involves incorporating explicit debiasing objectives during the fine-tuning process. This process encourages GPT-4 to learn to generate responses that mitigate biases by minimizing the correlation between biased input prompts and biased outputs. By explicitly addressing bias as an optimization objective, GPT-4 can be trained to provide more equitable and unbiased responses. 8. Language style transfer. To achieve language style transfer with GPT-4, several techniques can be employed. Conditional generation is one such technique where specific instructions or conditions are provided to guide the style transformation. By specifying the desired style, GPT-4 can generate text that aligns with the given style while preserving the content. Style embeddings offer another approach to language style transfer. By representing different writing styles as embeddings, GPT-4 can learn to map input text to the desired style during the generation process. These embeddings capture the essence of various styles, such as formal, casual, or poetic, enabling GPT-4 to generate text that reflects the intended style. 9. Creative writing and storytelling. Conditional generation is a powerful technique for creative writing with GPT-4. By providing specific conditions or prompts, such as story themes, genres, or character traits, writers can guide GPT-4's output to align with their creative vision. This approach enables the generation of text that adheres to a desired framework while leaving room for imaginative exploration. Priming plays a significant role in collaborating with GPT-4 for creative writing. By providing initial prompts or snippets of text, writers can establish a starting point and set the tone or direction for GPT-4's generated content. This allows for a more focused and coherent progression of ideas, supporting the development of engaging narratives or character arcs. 10. Contextual priming for enhanced understanding. GPT-4's exceptional ability to understand context is a key feature that can be further optimized through contextual priming. By incorporating additional relevant information or utilizing system-level prompts, you can significantly enhance GPT-4's performance, ensuring more accurate and coherent outputs. This tip explores various approaches to context management, enabling you to tailor GPT-4's responses to meet your specific requirements. Prefix prompts serve as a powerful technique for context management. By providing GPT-4 with a relevant prefix that sets the context for the desired output, you can guide its understanding and steer the generated responses. These prompts act as a framing mechanism, ensuring that GPT-4 incorporates the provided context into its generation process, resulting in more contextually accurate and coherent outputs. Master the art of conversing with ChatGPT using these 10 secret tips and tricks. From context management to controlling response length and more, you'll learn how to optimize your AI conversations for the best possible outcomes. Let's unlock the secrets and elevate your interactions with ChatGPT.